Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. I'm back with another tutorial, and in this tutorial I'm about to show you how you can remove your credit card on Amazon, and also I'm going to be showing you how you can add a payment method to your Amazon account. So make sure to watch this video till the end and follow the instruction as guided. So first of all, make sure to log in into your account. So in order to log in into your Amazon account, open up your web browser. Once you open up your web browser, on the search box type in the link that is www.amazon.com. You can also find the link on my description box below. Once you're logged into your account, next you'll be directed to the home page. Now in the top right corner you can see there is a profile name or your username. Just tap on it, and once you tap on it, from the drop down menu tap on accounts. After you tap on accounts, you'll be directed to your account, and under it there are multiple options. Now from here tap on your payments. Right over here you'll be able to see all the credit card that is linked to your account. In order to remove them, all you have to do is tap on edit, which is next to your credit card detail. As you tap on edit, right in center there's a pop-up. So right over here you can make changes. In case you're sure about removing your credit card, so then tap on remove from wallet in the bottom left corner of your screen. After you tap on it, once again there's a confirmation, and in case you're sure about it, tap on remove. You can see there's an update as your payment method has been removed successfully, which means that the credit card has been removed. Now in case if you want to add a payment method, then what you have to do is, for example, you want to add a new credit card, then what you have to do is, you can see that I don't have any other credit card linked to my Amazon account. In case you have a multiple credit card linked to your Amazon account, so then on the left hand side corner you'll have an option as add a payment method. So all you have to do is tap on add a payment method, and after that you have a list of options. Select one of these methods, and all you have to do is tap on add a debit card or credit card. Just simply tap on it, and once you do that, right in center there is a pop-up. You have to enter the card number, you have to enter the name on the card, which means that the account holder's name, and after that you'll have to enter the expiry date. And after you're done entering all of your information, tap on add your card, which is right at the bottom. And that is how you can add a new payment method on your Amazon account. Now let's say that if you want to change a payment method. On this particular page, tap on settings tab in the top right. Next you'll be directed to the settings page. Now what you have to do is you'll have to tap on change preferences. In case you have a default payment method, then you'll have an option as change your default. So all you have to do is just simply tap on change default, and after that you can add a preferred payment method. So that is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.